Here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, let's select preferred language. I'll just stay with English and tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can also just skip this step for now and connect SIM card later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services. I suggest you disable them, but in any case you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can help improve Motorola products, you can enhance device support, you can enable smart updates, or you can disable this feature, I don't know, it's for you to decide. Then tap accept and continue, then tap not now, not now, not now, not now. Then you have tutorial on the gesture navigation method. Like, if you don't know how to use gesture navigation, you can learn right now, but if you know, you can just skip it and your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.